1.6 The Parable of the Tenants. For this unit, you will need to know how the costs of discipleship are shown in the parable of the tenants and its relationship to Christians today. In this parable, a man rents out his vineyard to tenants. He sends a servant to collect the fruit, but the tenants kill him. The same happens to his second servant and to many others. Eventually, the owner has no one left to send apart from his son, whom he is sure the tenants will respect. However, the tenants kill the son. The owner then arrives, kills the tenants, and gives the vineyards to others. Jesus made enemies in teaching this parable because the Jewish leaders knew the parable was against them. They wanted to arrest Jesus but couldn't because of the crowd. Some key points you have to know for this unit are: this parable has a serious warning. It is an example of allegory where everything in the parable stands for something else in a deeper hidden story. The allegory is: the man is God, the vineyard is the earth, the tenants is the Jewish leaders, the servants are the prophets, the son is Jesus, and the other characters are the Gentiles, which are the non-Jews. Notice how the disciples are being warned that they could be treated like the prophets. Discipleship can lead to suffering. Most Christians understand this story as Jesus prophesying his death. Jesus is saying that the Jewish leaders will reject God's messengers first, and then his son, killing him. Instead of taking over, they will be replaced, for God's chosen people will no longer be just the Jews. Archbishop Oscar Romero knew the risk he ran by speaking out against the atrocities in San Salvador, but as a Christian, he believed it was his duty. Openly criticizing the corruption of the government and preaching Jesus' message of love led to Romero being assassinated. Do you think it was a price worth paying?